Namo Namaha. Today we are going to learn Sma Nishkasayata. Here in the title Sma Nishkasayata, you will understand meaning of the word Sma is used to, and Nishkasayata means remove. So Sma Nishkasayata means remove Sma. Wherever we will find in a sentence Sma is there, we have to remove it. How we can remove Sma from a sentence that today we are going to learn. Let's see in detail with an example in English. Sachin used to play cricket. When I say Sachin used to play cricket, there is a word used to, which means small. In different way, I can say the same sentence. Sachin played cricket. So instead of used to play, I used only one word played, and by that I understood the sentence formation. So here in first sentence, you will find it is given used to play cricket, and in second sentence, instead of that only one word played is there. So accordingly, we can change sentence in English. Same way we can apply in Sanskrit also. Let's understand the example in Sanskrit. Here it is a sentence. Sachinah kriketam khelati sma. Sachinah kriketam khelati sma. You can see the T is highlighted because it is with sma. But when we are removing sma, my sentence will be Sachinah kriketam akhela. Now, how these changes happen, that we have to understand in detail, and that is our main topic of today. How that T changes to Alantata. So let's understand it in proper way, how we can deal with it. For that, to understand that, we will deal accordingly with few examples. Now in examples, we can see steps are there, steps are given. So let's understand those steps first. वो steps को हम लोगों को understand करना है. Which are the steps for remove small? Here it is a list of steps. Now steps for remove small. First is a very simple, beautiful and interesting step that removes small. We have to remove small from the sentence. Second step, we have to change endings according to the given table. Whenever small is there, you will find the endings of lat lakara, either ti, tah, anti or te. So with small, if ti, tah, anti, te is there, we have to change t into halantata. So small के साथ अगर t है, पठती small, so my answer will be apatat, because in every word we have to add a. It is given over there. So अगर sentence is there, पठतः small, so what I have to do? Apatatam. If pathanti small is there, I have to use apathan. And if sentence is labhate small, I have to use alabhat. It is nothing but we have to change from present tense to past tense, that is from lat lakar to lang lakar. With lat lakar, small will be there, and while removing small, we will change that sentence to lang lakar. इसलिए beginning में a आता है और ending जो है वो lang lakar के हम लोग add करते हैं. And last most important step, copy paste remaining sentence as it is. So उसको निकालने के बाद जो कुछ भी रहता है वो हमें as it is follow करना है. Knowing this, let's focus on the examples are based on this topic. So here we can see the examples which are based on this topic, which we have to solve, which we have to follow. Let's discuss about it in detail. You can solve this in your notebook also, and you can cross check with the answers. Thank you.